back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you are new to this channel, welcome. We are all about searching the internet, looking for the best available work from home job leads, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. All the links to all the jobs are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video, making it easy for you to get those applications in. Make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss out on another job lead video. And I just ask that if you find any of these job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that does give me direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family. In today's video, I have, I think, 5 different work from home jobs for you. Most of these are high paying. We've got big companies like the Dollar Tree and Cash App. Most of them are not going to require a college degree. I think there might be one that does. And if you stay till the very end, I have one that's willing to completely train the right candidate. So almost no experience. They do ask for experience, but then they say they'll train the right person. So first up, we have the company Curology. Now, Curology is a skincare brand that does customized treatments and formulas for prescription ingredients like retinol for anti-aging or different acne medications. They're looking for somebody to work remote within the United States as a benefits administrator. So this is going to be like a human resources type role. You think about when you work for a corporate company and you get benefits such as health insurance and things like that. You're going to own the relationships with their benefit vendors and be responsible for negotiating rates and plans. You'll have ownership of the existing benefit plans such as health, welfare, well-being, retirement, including identifying, recommending, and implementing any changes to those plans as appropriate. You're going to administer the employee insurance programs such as medical, dental, vision, life, disability, group, accidental, all of those different plans. You're also going to administer the employee 401k plan. You'll be responsible for recommending and implementation of open enrollment, so when employees sign up for those plans, and you'll partner with the payroll team to make sure that the employee leave statuses are up to date in the system. This means you'll also be creating any communications or documentation supporting and surrounding those benefit programs like newsletters and things like that to give out to the employees so they know what their benefits include. Now, best part about this, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who's 5 to 7 years of experience managing company benefit plans or related tasks such as benefit enrollments or things like that. Someone who is great with their organizational skills, has high attention to detail, and is a solution-oriented mindset. You're a problem solver. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. Now, human resources and benefit type jobs are very high-paying jobs that don't require college degrees. This job is paying anywhere from $97,000 a year all the way up to $113,000 a year. And of course, it comes with a host of benefits, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and a $75 work from home stipend. Next up, we have the Dollar Tree. We all know and love and shop at the Dollar Tree, I am sure, but they're hiring a remote work from home claims manager. So they're looking for somebody to manage their team of subrogation specialists, being able to clearly communicate to the team how to develop concise, clear action plans for moving the case to the conclusion. You'll assist with general liability, auto liability, subrogation, property claims, and other specialty claim management projects as necessary. So this is not to do with the Dollar Tree's retail services. They have different lines of business, and this is going to be dealing with their insurance line of business. You're going to develop and manage fleet management, safety, and claims programs for company car drivers. You're going to manage these team budgets, evaluate them for adequacy of the case action plans and advise on any adjustments where necessary. Now, this is one that does require a bachelor degree. They do say, though, that if you have equivalent work experience, they will substitute that for the bachelor degree. So experience is always going to win out 100%. They do want somebody who's 5 years of subrogation experience with an insurance carrier. So if you've ever worked in insurance, this is going to be for you. Someone who has strong attention to detail, can be a team player, and great communication skills. Now, they're paying very, very well for this position, anywhere from $119,000 a year all the way up to $131,500 a year. Of course, they do offer that standard benefit package: health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, not every job in here is going to be high paying. I did throw a one in that's going to be more customer service retail type based. I always try to throw a little bit of something for everyone into my videos. So no matter what your skill level, we have something for you. But the clothing retailer Talbots is hiring a remote sales and service specialist full-time. So Talbots, if you don't know, is a specialty retailer of women's clothes, shoes, and accessories. But this is going to be basically a customer service job. They're looking for somebody to be responsible for answering a high volume of incoming customer contacts, help build and maintain that genuine and engaging interest throughout the contact while maximizing the experience for the customer. You're going to protect the customer's information. You're going to act with integrity, transparency, and respect. And you're going to listen and explore the customer's needs and determine what products or merchandise and services will meet those needs. So you're basically going to be upselling and helping them find exactly what they are looking for. Now, no college degree is needed, just 1 to 3 years of customer service experience and a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who can work with computers and be a multitasker. Now, this job is going to be like a basic retail job. Pay is between $14 and $15 an hour, and hours of operation are Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Zone. So just know that your shift will be in between that. You may have to work evenings and weekends. But if you came to this video looking for high-paying jobs, we have a disputes operation lead for Cash App. Now, this is again remote for the United States. Cash App is always hiring for remote positions. They have things across the board that meet different skill levels, and they pay very, very well. So if you have Cash App and you have transactions that go bad or whatever, something happens, you can file a dispute. And they are looking for a lead or team lead to manage 10 to 15 associates that focus on resolving those disputes. The role has cross-functional collaboration requirements. You'll work with third-party banking apps, making sure that those relationships are intact. You'll focus on daily management, including people development, and making sure that those people that handle the disputes are following the guidelines and adherence. So while you're not doing the disputes yourself, you are leading a team of people who are handling those disputes and that process. So you'll need to have an awareness of legal and compliance requirements, dispute operations, fraud and risk management, things like that. But they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 6 years of work experience, with 3 of those years being in some kind of direct people management. Now, direct people management does not necessarily mean you had to be a supervisor or a manager. I know someone who used to work at JCPenney's as a team lead. So anytime that you have led people or trained people or been somebody's mentor, that will count. They want somebody who has a strong error resolution knowledge, someone who has past product or project management experience, someone who can be creative at solving problems, and of course, you have to have strong analytical skills and great communication skills. Now, Cash App, of course, pays based on location. They break the United States down into zones A, B, C, and D. They do have a linked resource if you want to know what zone you live in, but pay is anywhere from $82,300 a year on the low end all the way up to $109,600 on the high end. They do offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, a 401k, and paid time off. And if you've stayed this far to the end of this video, give this video a thumbs up like button. As promised, I do have a job that will train the right candidate. The company is Kelmar Associates. Now they have 70 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a custody accounts associate. Now the custody accounts associate is an entry-level position. They'll be reporting to their manager of their state services. They're looking for a self-starter. The basic responsibilities are to compare and reconcile sets of data and securities to be able to outline the differences between those different sets of data. So you've got to have that great attention to detail and be able to find the differences, kind of like a Where's Waldo type of thing. You'll receive instructions from clients from their unclaimed property database regarding selling and transferring shares, executing transactions, and instructed in the sub-custodians. You're going to perform research for these clients, and you're going to ensure that contractual requirements for the clients are met, including invoicing, transferring of accrued cash, and monthly reporting. Now, right here, it does say a bachelor degree or equivalent combination of education and experience is required. So they do take experience over a bachelor degree. However, right after that, they say they are willing to train the right candidate. So you don't even really need to have the experience if you have everything else they are looking for. If you have that great personality and that drive to be the best, they are willing to train. They're looking for somebody who has great communication skills. Of course, you've got to know how to use a computer, specifically Microsoft Office, things like that. You've got to be able to work independently, be a self-starter, and authorized to work in the United States. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year to $52,000 a year. They also offer that standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to share with all your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up like button if you haven't already, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.